Here's a short video on how you can create lists on Expert Pro. Lists are used to compile your client's contact information so that you can reach out to them with campaigns. First, locate Lists under Marketing in the left navigation pane. When you click on Lists, you will be redirected to the main Lists page. This page allows you to view and edit any existing lists. To create a new list, you will have to click on Create List in the top right corner. You will then have to enter the details, description, and address. You will also be prompted to choose between importing new contacts or entering them manually. We recommend you choose to import your contacts. Once you click on Import Contacts, it gives you the option to import from applications, client profiles, a CSV, or referrers. In this case, we will choose to import from client profiles. When you click on Import from Client Profiles, you will receive additional customization options. You can make the selections as required, and then click on Create List. You have now successfully created a list, which you can use to set up your campaigns,